Hey guys, so today I'm so mad because I've been running errands like all day, well all week honestly, and I wanted to film like a get ready with me airport edition or like airport flow, but I never got the chance to. As you guys can see, I don't even have makeup on. I pretty much look exactly the same from this morning, so I didn't get ready just now. I just finished packing my makeup. I was supposed to drop my car off at my dad's car shop. I don't think that's gonna happen because the way the traffic is set up on Steeles, where I have to go to the intersection, it's too crazy. I don't have the patience, and like, you know, it's just not gonna happen. So I'm heading to the bank right now to take out some money. Your girl is going to LA. I'm so excited, and I'm just gonna vlog this whole day because Air Canada is fast.
Yeah, I flew with Air Canada too. So
I always fly with Air Canada. Air Canada's fast.
I hate going to the airport. Did you have to go through that body scanner thing, like where they take off?
That's my least favorite part because you didn't even feel my backpack. You don't even want to feel my backpack.
What's in there? Laptop?
Oh, everything.
Cool.
My laptop, my charger, my phone charger, my other camera. I brought my filming camera and my lens. Hopefully that goes well, depending on how the lighting is set up where I'm staying. And then I have 2 makeup bags in here. I have 2 makeup bags. No, I have 2 or 3 makeup bags in my suitcase, and then I have 2 in here.
Why do you need so much cram?
Because sometimes you just, like, you know, like when you travel, you gotta make sure you're equipped and you're prepared. Okay. You gotta pack for air as well. Thank you. What did I just do?
I forgot to bring bundles.
I did not say that. All I said was I forgot to bring extra bundles.
No, you didn't, bitch. You exaggerated the old.
I said bundles.
And then you had your blonde one before.
I said bundles.
Was the camera rolling before?
No.
I was gonna say rewind. Pull up. Pull up.
Our flight is delayed, and they don't know when we're getting a pilot because the pilot that we obviously were supposed to have at 8:50, they said he was on his way to work.
What if he was gone? Sorry, what if he was
I hope not. Well, okay, they didn't say anything like that happened to him, but okay, that's so crazy. So we just found out that our pilot was on his way to work and got in a car accident. So basically, they said they don't even know when we're finding a pilot.
And the other lady
and then she said they can't give us an estimated time. What?
Is that a recorded here?
Oh,
I'm not accepting it.
that's. Pardon?
I said, what are the odds?
No, but I'm praying that wasn't. But yeah, so it's crazy because we're wondering if the accident that was on the highway on the way to the airport that was holding up so much traffic is our pilot. That's actually crazy. So yeah, we're at the Hearth. We're about to get some food. This is the 3rd restaurant we've been to because, oh yes, they're ready. Are we taking it to go? Yeah, so we were gonna sit down and eat, but we're just not trying to risk anything. And where they moved our gate to, they're playing walking trophy in the airport. I'm crying. But yeah, so where they moved our, wherever everybody's supposed to go now, they moved us to another gate, and it's my memory card was full, but where they moved our new gate to is so far from everything else and where we were before. And as much as we want to sit down and eat, we're not trying to miss any updates or anything. Don't want to risk it right now. Plus, you know, we don't know when we're getting a pilot. So I'm just praying it's sometime soon, you know. It's getting late. It's about to be 9 o'clock. We were supposed to board at 8:50. And you know, we just want to get to LA, man. So this is the fish tacos and french fries that I ordered. The presentation was a lot better than that. I kind of messed it up, but the fries are really good actually. They're quite expensive, but they were pretty good. So. So guys, we made it. Right now, I'm on 4 o'clock a.m. time in Toronto, and it's only 1 a.m. It's 1:07. So in Toronto right now, it's 4:07. I mean, either way, I'd probably still be up, but still, you know, still tired. And I went to bed last night at 6 in the morning. I got 2 hours of sleep. Hey, Rick Foot. Yes, finally made it to our Airbnb. I'm gonna show you guys a little tour in a second. We're just getting settled in, about to have some drinks because of course it's been a long day. Hey. I hate vodka, but same, I haven't drank vodka. I'm gonna do it for the trip. Do it for my birthday, bitch. Chopper with the stuff that do not touch me, yeah. Woo, what up? Okay. I remember Tiger having this much bars. At least he came back with a bang. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour of the apartment that we are staying at. I'm super sleepy. I'm just gonna like show you guys so that I can edit this and then go to my bed. So when you walk in, obviously this is the door. Got the couch, little table, the TV. Obviously we got Netflix on. Thank God they have Netflix. I'm so happy. And then we go into, there's like this actually pretty big spacious living area. It's actually pretty big. Just so you guys can kind of see. That's the door. This is all this area right over here. And then over here, the table and chairs, obviously little eating area. This is my favorite part of the apartment, I think, the kitchen. Beautiful. We just picked up some ramen because we're hungry. And yeah, like, I'm so ready to eat this. Oh, yes, please. Oh, thanks. Yeah, this is probably my favorite part of the apartment. I just live for marble counters and like dark cupboards. There's a lot of counter space. The toaster oven, garbage, window. Obviously, I'm not gonna open that because it's like 4 in the morning right now. And yeah, cupboards up here, microwave, stove. This is the bathroom. I love the shower. Put on The Office still while I edit. Yeah, quick little tour of the bathroom. Really nice. I didn't even get to show you guys my nails when I went to get them done, but can we talk about this chrome? This is the bedroom. Really nice. It looks exactly how we did on Airbnb, so I'm really impressed with that. It looks exactly like, if anything, it's bigger than what I expected to, I will say, because I'm not gonna lie, the living room looked like it was a little small, but it, as you guys saw, it was a really big living space. Closet. I'm gonna hang up my clothes. I really like doing that when I'm going on trips because then I get to like lay out my outfits. This is just 1/2 of the closet, okay? This is just 1/2. That is the other half right there. Got a few hangers. I don't even think that's enough for what I brought. But that's one side of the closet. And then this is the other side. There's a safe up there. Why couldn't my closet at home be this big? I really wish. This is the type of closet I need. If I can't get a walk-in closet in my condo when I move, a condo like this will, I mean, a closet like this will be perfect. That's pretty much it. I don't know what this door is. I don't know if I'm trying to find out. Oh, it's just like a little junk room, I'm guessing. Let me just not touch stuff I'm not supposed to. But yeah, so guys, that is the little apartment tour for the weekend for where we're staying. I'll see you guys in my next vlog, so peace. Sorry, I'm just so happy. Okay, bye guys.